Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set quarterly tax estimates in QuickBooks Self-Employed. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your QuickBooks. So once you open your QuickBooks, you need to simply sign in into your QuickBooks Self-Employed account in a web browser. Once you have signed in into your QBSE, you need to go to the taxes section. Now, after you are in the taxes section, you need to simply select the quarterly tab. You need to choose the specific quarterly tab you want to review. Once you have selected it, QuickBooks will summarize the estimated amount and due date. You can select any number to see detailed breakdown of how the amount was calculated. So this is how you can simply set quarterly tax estimates in QuickBooks Self-Employed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.